Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, let's quickly check out the way that you fix the Instagram comment disable problem. If you're facing this issue where you try to check the comments of any video or post on Instagram and none of these content is loading, let me show you a couple of fixes that will help to solve the issue. The first thing that you can try out straight away is just close the app of Instagram, remove it from your recent app list, and then open it up again. By along doing this, you should be able to fix the issue. If it is not still fixed, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear the data and cache of your Instagram. You can just tap and hold the app of Instagram, head over to app info. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to head over to iPhone storage and then offload your application. From this setting, you'll see the option called clear data and then tap on clear all data. After doing this step, you'll be now logged out of your Instagram account and you'll need to log in back by adding in your credentials. The third thing that you can also try out is try to look for any new updates available. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store and search for Instagram. If you do see new updates available, make sure you hit that update button as well. Now lastly, if none of these solutions work out for you, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of Instagram from your phone and then again reinstall it back. By doing these couple of steps, you should be now able to fix the Instagram comment disable problem. If this kind of video did help you out, do let us know. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.